will register on RenderForest intro generator with a temporary email address. To do this, go to mageedible.far, create a random email. Copy the email, return to the RenderForest registration form, you'll receive an email to activate your account. Go to the MageEditable page, update the email box.
Confirm verification. Connect. You're connected. For example, send an email to the MailJetable generated email address. Go to the MailJetable page. Paste the address. Update. We see that we've received the email sent from Gmail. Now you know how to create a disposable email and, above all, how to use it sustainably.